What's going on, guys? I'm the Stock Guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube, and today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I made $100 profit today day trading the S&P ETFs. I shorted it with put stock options today, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I did it. So let's switch over the charts, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did today, okay? So first things first, I'm going to be starting off showing you guys the S&P and NASDAQ futures, okay? So this is not what I actually traded, but the SPY, the SPY, trades basically the exact same as the S&P futures, which is what I have right here, okay? So it's basically the same chart. I'm just showing you guys the futures to get a little bit more data in here, okay? So right here we've got the S&P futures, and down here we've got the NASDAQ futures, okay? So the first thing that happened this morning, right when market opened, you can see we have a nice pop-up. Same thing on the NASDAQ here, a nice pop-up. And after the pop-up, we have this pull back down. It wasn't so strong on the NASDAQ. As you can see, we kind of didn't even really pull down. We kind of just found some support and then made another pop-up. After the pullback here, the same pop-up here, okay? Now, I played this move, shorting this move down. So I made money on this move down here, right here, okay? So this fourth move, we had this move up 1, move down 2, move up 3, and then the fourth move down, okay? Same thing here, up 1, consolidate down 2, up 3, and then the move down. So the one thing that I really want to show you guys here is that the NASDAQ was moving ahead of the S&P today. So that's kind of what gave me an edge today, and which gave me extra confidence into shorting the SPY where I did short it, which is right around this level here, before we even broke any supports. But the reason for that is because when we had this pullback here, you can see this low on SPY is right here, okay? But on the NASDAQ, we had this low being right here. So what happened is the NASDAQ, I'm going to draw it out for you guys. Hold on one second. Yeah, come on, we're lagging. Sorry about this, guys. Okay, so we've got this pullback here. I'm going to draw this line out, okay? So as you can see, we break below the support right on this candlestick here on the NASDAQ, which is at 948. So we're breaking below this level at 948. If I go over here at 948 on the S&P, we still haven't broken below this level. Still haven't gone below it yet. So I decided to take a short here, take some put options contracts at 949. Okay, so I saw that happening at 948 with the NASDAQ breaking below this support level right here. So then once it continued down, I got in as we're breaking below the support, because I knew that the NASDAQ would most likely test this level here, which is exactly what happened, and which on the S&P is going to be this level here. So I got in a little bit premature of this break of support here because the NASDAQ was going down. Wrote it down. Now I'm going to switch over to the SPY here just to show you guys exactly what I was actually seeing, because I traded the SPY today. So I got in here on this candlestick before we even broke support. Typically, I'd get in as we break below this level, but since the NASDAQ was already breaking support, I got in a bit early today. And also, I'd like to point out that this candlestick was actually green at one point. It was green. As you can see, it started to pull back here. So we had a nice pullback entry point, and I got in right as we broke down and started making lower lows below this candlestick and moving into breaking the support and breaking the support. So got in a decent entry here and was able to ride this thing down for that 20% profit, which ended up being $100 today. As you can see, I got in at $1.09, sold at $1.29, 20% profit today, guys. $100 profit. Basically, guys, anybody could do this. You know, I only traded with $500 today. I'm sure basically everybody has $500, so it's not impossible to make money. You don't have to be a millionaire to make money in the stock market. Anybody can do this, and it's simple strategies, so that's why I wanted to show you guys this. And before I go, I wanted to pull this up here. If you guys are interested in seeing what I'm trading, you can go ahead and add my Discord name right here, because I have a Discord group full of stock traders. We all discuss the market and what we're trading, so go ahead and add me on Discord. Shoot me a direct message, and I'll send you an invite to our actual stock group with all the different stock traders. But yeah, other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop me a like or drop me a comment just to help with that YouTube algorithm. And if you want to see some more videos like this, go ahead and click on my link, my channel below. I've got a ton more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys see the next video, because I promise you guys are going to learn something from every video that I make. All right? Later, guys.